Hi, and welcome back to another EPC Teardown Guide. And today, we're taking a look at the Thinkpad X1 Yoga G8. It is a 2-in-1 business-grade laptop from 2023. Not too difficult of a teardown today, but I'll show you how. Now let's get into it. Alright, so let's get into it. Start by getting this back cover off, just 5 of these captured Phillips screws. Alright, and now I believe that we just need to stick a pry tool into this back and gently prop it up. There we go. Just comes right off. Alright, next up, as always, we start by taking out the battery. In this case, that's 6 of these large-headed silver screws. There we are. And then the battery itself should just pull straight up. And we put that away. Next up, we'll take off the SSD, which is behind this little enclosure here, just held on by those 2 screws. A little bit shorter than the last ones. Make sure to keep these things separate. The enclosure comes right off, and then the drive itself, just pull up and away. Now, next up, we're going to be tackling the motherboard itself, although as you can see, there's a lot connected to it, so we're going to go by step. The first thing is going to be that there's 8 of these small black screws around the edge, holding the board itself in place. We'll go ahead and get those out of here. Alright, the next thing we have are these 2 connectors that connect up the board, the display itself. They have this interesting latching mechanism that just pulls up and it allows you to grab and pull straight up. And that's the same mechanism on both. There we go. And while we're up here, we'll get these Wi-Fi cables up. As usual, be pretty careful with these. Try and pull them straight away from the connector itself to not damage it. Now we'll just sort of push those out of the way. Next up, we have this USB port right here, actually, which is removable. It has to be taken out to get the case itself out. It's held on by these 4 screws, 2 long ones in the front, 2 short ones in the back. Try not to get these 2 mixed up. And then you'll see the port itself just pulls up and away. We have the same story with the audio port right here, but this is just 2 rather long silver screws. And same story with that. Comes right out, put it away. We have all of these cables right here connected to the mobile data card. Same story as the Wi-Fi. We just pull them up and away from the chip itself. And then you'll need to unthread them, at least get them out of the way of the board. We can then get to the speaker cables. There's 3 of them. They simply need to be grabbed by both sides and pulled straight out. Your fingernails will do, or if you want, you could use a pair of pliers. Now we've got this ribbon cable right here, which connects to the board to the motherboard. It's a simple latch that you pull up, and then you can pull the ribbon cable out. We've got this connector right here, which feeds to the touchpad. It actually just pulls straight up and disconnects. We also have hidden up here at the top a ribbon cable for the power button that's right there on the other side of the case. Just like the keyboard cable. Pull that latch up and then pull the cable out. And then lastly, before we can get the board itself out, we've got a small SIM card slot right here on the side. And to get that out, you can either stick something long and thin in there, like a paper clip, or since you have access to the middle of the case, you can actually just push it out. Now, if we've done everything correct, we can pull the board itself out, starting from the left side. I try to leave the CMOS battery connected. Looks like that connector just fell out. And that's it. That's how you take apart the Thinkpad X1 Yoga Gen 8. As you can see, there's a few more things you could do, such as the connectors to the display right up here. You've got the stylus hidden right here. That was actually hidden underneath the battery. The speakers. Looks like the touchpad itself is removable from the back side with those 2 screws. And otherwise, that's it.
Don't feel like doing a teardown yourself? Have not just one, but hundreds of devices taking up space? EPC is a global leader in the ITAD field, and it's our goal to reduce e-waste and give devices a second chance. Reach out to us today to learn more.